Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Gamma Sports TV. I'm Guy Martial Aka, aka the citizen of the world, and I would like to thank you all for your support for making this channel growing. Thanks a lot. For those who didn't subscribe yet, please do it and get the notification button activated in order to be informed whenever a new video will be released. If you have seen my previous videos, you all know that I've done a little bit of gymnastics at school, right? But today, for our program, Gamma Sports Stories, we'll talk about somebody who is a legend of gymnastics. We'll talk about Nadia Comaneci. Nadia Comaneci is worldwide known by the fact that she has been the first and youngest gymnast who has obtained the perfect score of 10 at the Olympic Games. Michelle Obama mentioned that she's one of the persons who have inspired her to achieve what she has achieved so far. Do you want to know a success secret? What have been the challenges she has faced? What makes her the legend she is today for the gymnastics sport? If you want to know all the answers to these questions, please stay tuned. Nadia Elena Comaneci Corner, also known as Nadia Comaneci, was born and raised in a small town called Onești in the Bacău County in Romania on November 12, 1961. Her mother called her Nadia from a Russian film heroine named Nadezhda, which means hope, premonition. During her childhood, she was full of energy, so that whenever she was playing with her friends climbing trees, she never stopped until she get to the highest level first. And she said she always wanted to be on top. Premonition. In order to use her energy in a good way, her mother sent her to a gymnastics club in a neighborhood, which name was Flăcări in Romanian, which means flame. Flame as the flame of the Olympic Games. Premonition. At that time, in the same small town, Bela Caroli, one of the best gymnastics coach, just opened a school and was looking for kids to train. While wandering one day nearby his school, he saw a little girl doing perfectly some cartwheels and some other gymnastic figures in the school, and he was impressed. Unfortunately, he couldn't approach her due to the fact that the bell rang and all the people went back to the classroom. So he decided to go in each classroom to invite the kids who want to learn gymnastics at a casting. Only two little girls raised their hands, so he asked them to do some cartwheels in front of the others. When they did it, he automatically recognized Nadia Comaneci. With the permission of her parents, Nadia started to train with Bela Caroli. Her willingness to learn was so obvious, and the perfection of her gesture confirmed the fact that she was talented. For instance, when she was asked to do 5 routines, she was doing 7 or 8. 10 push-ups, she was doing 15 very easily without complaining. For this reason, she started to compete at a very young age, at 11 years old. After winning a lot of gold medals internally, she won some more at international meetings in Democratic Republic of Deutschland, in Yugoslavia, in Hungary, in Polonia and Italy. At age 13, she was advanced to senior category and won her first European Championship at Skien in Norway in 1975. The year 1976 will be remembered as one of the most important years of her life. Nadia was invited at her first big competition outside Europe in New York, Madison Square Garden, for the American Cup. And she dominated the competition, where she was awarded with the golden medal. She shared the stage with a certain Bart Conner, whom, at the request of a photographer, gave her an innocent kiss on her cheek. Actually, that kiss will have an impact in her life decades later. Few months later, during the same year 1976, Nadia took part to the Montreal Olympic Games as member of the Romanian Olympics delegation. These Olympic Games appear to be the place where she became the legend she is today. She was able to impress millions of people, including the judges, with complicated gymnastic figures that she succeeded to do so easily. It was a mix of swing, jump, twist, executed to perfection. and with a smile at the end. At that time, there wasn't any perfect 10 before at the Olympic Games, so Swiss Timing, a company in charge with a scoreboard, did not prepare any with 4 digits. Only the ones with 3 digits were available. So the only way to post Nadia's perfect 10 on the scoreboard was to put a 1.00. This is the moment when she made history. A new gymnastics world star was born. She finished that Olympic Games with 3 gold medals, all with perfect 10, 1 silver medal and 1 bronze medal. She was nicknamed the Montreal Fairy. When she went back with the Romanian delegation, she was surprised to see more than 10,000 people waiting for them at the airport. As recognition, she was especially awarded by the President Ceausescu with the title of Hero of the Socialist Labour. She confirmed a European Championship title in 1977, so the Romanian Federation of Gymnastics decided to move her from the little town Onești to a sportive complex in Bucharest. But she couldn't resist to stay far from her family and her coach. So she fell into depression to the point to attempt suicide by drinking bleach, according to the magazine Los Angeles Times, published on February 1990. At that painful moment, she couldn't perform at her best level. So in 1980, when she was 18 years old, she was reunited with her old coach Bela Karolyi and had a very fast and impressive comeback for the Soviet Union Olympic Games in Moscow. At that Olympic Games, she also was awarded with 2 gold medals and 2 silver medals. After that, she expressed her need to retire from gymnastics in 1981, but the Romanian government wanted to capitalize on her audience to raise money for the country, so they planned a 11-city Nadia's tour in the US. But the last day of this tour, her coach Bela Karolyi and his wife defected and didn't return back in Romania. After that incident, Nadia was suspected to defect as well, so she was kept under surveillance. Even when the Romanian delegation was invited to some international exhibition, her name was removed from the list of the attendees. So she finally retired in May 1984 and was promoted as the head coach of the Romanian Federation of Gymnastics until 1989. During one cold night of November 1989, 1 month before the revolution, she succeeded to cross the Hungarian border and reached later on the US Embassy in Vienna, in Austria, where she applied for asylum. Few hours later, she was in a flight to New York. Bart Conner heard that she was back into the US and he wanted to get in touch with her at any cost. So when he heard that she was the guest of a TV show in New York, he made his way from Oklahoma to New York in order to attend the show as a special guest. He came with some flowers for her and offered a helping hand to Nadia. She left the US to Canada for a period of time without answering to Bart. Afterwards, she accepted his offer and moved back to Oklahoma to work, to live, and she finally got married to him in 1986 in Bucharest, in Romania. 5 years later, she became an American citizen in 2001, and in 2006, she became a happy mother of a young boy named Dylan. With her husband, she opened one of the biggest and most equipped gymnastics academy in the US in order to promote the sport they love, to transfer the knowledge to the new generations, and to spread it all over the world. On the other side, she's involved into some charity actions in order to give back to her community. She built a clinic for orphans in Romania as well. Nadia received a lot of awards, but we will list just a few of them. She's a member of the Oklahoma Sports Hall of Fame. She's member of the board of directors of the Special Olympics. In 2000, she was named as one of the athletes of the 20th century by the Loris World Sports Academy. She received twice the highest award of the Olympic movement in 1984 and in 2004 from the International Olympic Committee. In 1999, she was the first spokesperson to hold a speech at the UN Council. She is the honorary president of the Romanian Gymnastics Federation and the honorary president of the Romanian Olympic Committee. She is the Romanian Sports Ambassador. She is a member of the International Gymnastics Federation Foundation. She won 5 golden medals, 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal at the Olympic Games. She won 2 golden medals and 2 silver medals in the World Championship. She won 9 golden medals, 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal in the European Championship. So, if this story of Nadia Comaneci speaks to you, please do not hesitate to comment, share, subscribe to our pages on social network, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Gamma Sports TV. Next week we will post new videos still on Gamma Sports Stories upon Mr. Didier Drogba, the late revealed football player who became a legend of football and is candidating now to become the Ivorian Football Federation president. Please don't forget and subscribe to all our pages. Bye for now, and I leave you with that quote of Nadia Comaneci. Ciao.